How to make money on Temu. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can make money on Temu, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, making money on Temu is very simple because you can actually earn some money and then use that money to buy products for free. Now you can open the Temu app, come to the U tab that you can find here, then here you'll find an option called earn credits and free gifts. So you can just go to earn credits and free gifts option. Here you'll see all of this information here. Now if you want to make money, you can actually be a Temu seller, by the way, so you can sell products and make money, but you can also earn as a consumer. If you just play the games, you log in daily, you can get some points and you can use that points to exchange to buy something, anything that Temu is providing to you. So you can earn some credit balance, you can earn some points, which then you can use to go ahead and buy products. So hope this video helped you as to how you can make money on Temu. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.